Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just traded in this 2016 RAV4. This one is silver. It's got brown and black two-tone leather interior. It's got front heated seats. You got navigation, rear view camera, leather steering. It's got only 11,000 miles. There's your sunroof. It's got Toyota wheels. It's got a nice sized back seat for you. It's a limited edition. It's all-wheel drive. It's got a power rear door. Tons of room in the trunk area. Second row seats fold down to give you more room. Like I said, a power rear door, and it's right here at Lexus of Wilmington. Looking for more information on the 16 RAV4 or any of the other almost 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory in our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you come here to Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry when you car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.